How to access the statement of Commonwealth Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about accessing, saving and printing the online statements of Commonwealth Bank. So now let's get started. You can access and print online statements up to 7 years old in CommBank app by Bank and ATMs as well. By CommBank app, you can go ahead and log into your account, and then after tap on accounts and choose an account, and then tap on manage, then tap on view statement and date, tap on share to email or print. After that, log off. And in NetBank, log in, choose view accounts and then statements, select account and download the individual or multiple statements, create transaction summaries and log off. Through ATMs, you can also insert your card and enter PIN, choose mini statement and account, and you'll be done. You can also access statements issued up to 7 years ago or for up to 2 years after closing. And you can also get email notifications for new statements. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.